Unraveling the meaning of full out in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of English expressions. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, full out. It's a term you might have heard in various contexts, and we're here to clarify what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get full out into learning. Full out is a phrase that can be somewhat ambiguous without context. Primarily, it means to do something with maximum effort or intensity, without holding back. It can refer to putting forth one's greatest effort in a performance, work, or activity. For instance, an athlete might run a race, full out, meaning they are giving it everything they have without reservation. Now, let's look at how full out is used in sentences. In sports, the sprinter went full out in the last 100 meters of the race. In performance arts, the dancers performed the routine full out, leaving the audience in awe. In daily conversation, if you're going to help me, I need you to go full out. Notice how the phrase adds emphasis to the level of effort or commitment someone is putting into an action. Interestingly, full out can also be part of other phrases. For example, she was singing at full tilt, another way of saying with all energy or force. He works full throttle, which means working with full power or to the maximum. Though these phrases vary slightly in connotation, they all revolve around the idea of complete and utter commitment to an effort or cause. That's a wrap on full out. We hope this video has shed some light on this expression and how it's used to describe doing something with your whole heart and effort. Remember, language learning is a journey that requires going full out, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to give your English learning your all. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.